Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pepper, and I've got some tips and ideas for you for when you're using pepper, this most popular spice. First of all, the flavor of pepper will diminish when it's cooked for a long period of time. So if you want that flavor of pepper to stand out in a dish, don't add it early on, wait till toward the end to flavor it with your pepper. If you want fresh pepper flavor on your food, keep a little pepper grinder handy on the table and just add it as you go when you're ready to eat. Try a very simple homemade salad dressing with a little bit of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and some freshly ground pepper. Interestingly, pepper has been used as an insecticide. Sprinkle some ground pepper in non-garden areas to keep insects away. You can also mix a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper with 1 quart of warm water and spray it on plants to kill ants, potato bugs, and silverfish. If you're not sure if your peppercorns have aged and they've kind of gone stale, all you really need to do is smell them. If they have lost their aroma, they're stale and they won't have much flavor. You could also crush a couple peppercorns and just give it a taste. If they've lost their peppery zest, then it's past time to replace them. If you want to know what the equivalents are, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground pepper is equivalent to 5 turns, 5 cranks in a typical pepper grinder. If you find that your ground pepper shaker tends to get clogged up, maybe you shake it over a pot of boiling soup and that steam clogs it up, you can help to prevent that by putting a few whole peppercorns in the pepper shaker with it, and that will help to prevent some of the clogging. If you want to enhance the flavor of peppercorns, freeze them. That will help to give them a little more flavor. Now, ground pepper will hold its flavor for about 3 months. After that, it really tends to dwindle down. But the flavor of whole peppercorns will last almost indefinitely. They'll last a lot longer than 3 months for sure. So if you want to buy pepper and have it last for a good while, use the whole peppers and get a grinder, or buy something like this that has the grinder built in. And with that having been said, for the best pepper flavor, just buy whole peppercorns and grind them as needed. You'll get a fresher, better, stronger pepper flavor that way. Try using whole peppercorns to add a good flavor to marinades, poached fish, and boiled meats. Suggested amounts are this: 10 to 12 whole peppercorns in marinades, 4 to 6 whole peppercorns in poaching liquid, 1 to 2 whole peppercorns when you're poaching fish, and 8 to 10 whole peppercorns when you're boiling meat. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.